Divine Collective, Spirit wants me to tell all of you that your path forward is not reactive chaos. It is strategic stability, okay? Someone tried to set someone up in this reading. They tried to set the Hermit up. You walked away from someone so that you could protect your peace and rediscover your own inner truth, Divine Collective. And because you walked away to protect your peace, someone tried to set you up here. Virgo. We're getting Virgo in this reading, Divine Collective. Initiation rituals are of significance. Isn't Virgo the Hermit? Initiation ritual. Someone tried to set up the Hermit. I'm getting fentanyl. Fentanyl being of significance, Divine Collective. Someone trying to set you up. Fentanyl. Archangel Michael is here clearing away all dark energy. Did someone try to set you up by putting something in your car or your home, Divine Collective? Possibly some type of an illegal substance of some sort. I've been picking up on that all morning, Divine Collective. It's very heavy in the downloads, okay? I'm getting fentanyl being of significance. You are someone who is showing up as very powerful and direct in this reading. Powerful and direct. Siblings are of significance. Someone's siblings tried to set them up here. They wanted you to question your own sanity, Divine Collective. These siblings of yours that I'm picking up on, Spirit says they're all a joke. They're a joke. These are clowns, okay? Who became angry when you decided to walk away and protect your peace when you went into Hermit. These siblings became angry. I'm getting running from a copycat, doppelganger. Their own creation became their lesson. Wow. Spirit says their own creation became their lesson. And now they're cursed for generations to come. Someone here trying to copycat you. A doppelganger, Divine Collective. They've cursed themselves for generations to come. Spirit says they believed if they aligned against you, they could siphon what was meant for you themselves. Okay? That is what I'm hearing. Wow. Yeah. These siblings are under demonic possession, Divine Collective. I don't know if you guys have ever experienced someone under demonic possession, like right in your face, but I've actually experienced someone that I grew up with, someone that I consider to be a sister under demonic possession. Intuitively, I had already known. At this point, I had already created boundaries, and, you know, this person didn't even really come to my house, but she had called and said she was in the area, wanted to know if she could stop by, and I was like, sure, you know, sure. Intuitively, I knew that that wasn't the greatest idea, but the way that I see things, Divine Collective, is I feel like there's a lesson in everything, okay? I feel like there's a lesson in everything. I feel like everybody we encounter that's allowed into our space, there's some type of lesson. I kind of feel like if she wasn't supposed to be in my space, then Spirit would have redirected her. She wouldn't have been in my area. I also know that I'm very protected, right? So that kind of throws the fear aspect out the window, because I don't fear these people that are under demonic possession, okay? I have compassion. No fear, compassion. But anyway, we sat across from one another, and as I'm speaking, you know, we catch eyes with one another, and nothing, Divine Collective. When I say it was a blank stare, like an empty, dark, blank stare, that's what I got. And it was a little unsettling, uncomfortable, but I knew in that moment that was what Spirit was trying to educate me on, demonic possession. I stared a demon in their eyes, Divine Collective. However, they don't have the power to come back at you, right? They don't have the power to attack you, especially not in your area, you know? So there's that. I don't know if any of you have ever experienced a real demonic possession on someone, but it is uncomfortable, right? The Tower is here, dismantling unstable foundations, 5:24 on the clock. Your lesson is not only healing, it is mastering stability, Divine Collective, okay? Continue focusing here, continue to manifest, Divine Collective, and continue reminding yourself that the devil is a liar, okay? You're doing a wonderful, incredible job remaining balanced. Again, someone here really just wants you to feel overwhelmed, wants you to feel like you're not it, you're not doing a good job at something you're doing, Divine Collective. That's why Spirit is telling you the devil is a lie. That is the devil speaking, Divine Collective. Anytime that someone's in your ear being negative, or all you hear is negativity, that is the devil, Divine Collective. So just know that you're doing a wonderful, incredible job remaining balanced. You are the star. I heard the star shines over your path, symbolizing hope, healing, and divine purpose. Someone here sought validation instead of healing, okay? That's the issue. They sought validation instead of healing, 6:46 on the clock. Every chapter you've survived has prepared you for the chapter you're walking into now, Spirit says. This is a good omen, signaling prestige, success, and contentment in relationship and career. A good omen, Divine Collective. Someone here is really on demon mode, Divine Collective. They're not happy that you are moving forward here, that your path forward is not chaos, that you have all this stability. This person is so angry. They're on demon mode, Divine Collective, under possession as well. Virgo twice, double Virgo energy surrounding heavily in this reading, Divine Collective. Spirit wants you to stay in your lane, not your circus, not your monkeys, I'm hearing, okay? Basically telling you to mind your business, Divine Collective. Mind your business, okay? Someone here is going through a breakup. As I'm saying, mind your business. Someone may be trying to pull you into chaos that has nothing to do with you. Maybe there's a breakup going on, a separation, and someone wanting to pull you into the middle of this. There's a reason why I was saying mind your business, okay? Someone wants you to mind their business because they're going through a breakup. But you are not responsible for carrying someone else's emotional weight, Divine Collective. This is someone who wants you to carry their emotional weight for them, who tried to mentally drain you. They're pissed, Divine Collective. I do feel like this is someone going through a breakup. They're even more angry because I feel like something you said, Divine Collective, warned this person. You may have warned this person by something that you said, and something that you said came to pass or came true, and that's where this anger is coming from. Because you tried to warn this person, but it's like they blocked you at every angle. Every time you tried to, guide this person in a way, they didn't want your guidance. Okay? They were telling others that you were jealous. You still wanted them. They were lying, Divine Collective. They're pissed because I feel like something you tried to tell them, not out of spite, out of guiding them into a better place. I feel like it's come true, Divine Collective, and they're going through a breakup currently. What's this about, Spirit? Discern everything. Receive what brings peace. Release what brings confusion. You are someone who is being seen in the spotlight currently, Divine Collective, because you are in alignment with who you are. 9:47 on the clock. What tried to break you was sent to reveal you, okay? Real discernment and pattern recognition.